Have you ever wondered what Buddhism is really about? Is it a religion, a philosophy, or something far deeper? Buddhism, with its roots in ancient India, offers a unique perspective on life and existence. It's not just about rituals or prayers, but about understanding the nature of our minds and the world around us. For over 2,500 years, this ancient path has guided millions, not through belief, but through awareness. The teachings of the Buddha, known as the Dharma, provide practical tools for living a more mindful and compassionate life. From the Four Noble Truths to the Eightfold Path, Buddhism offers a roadmap to inner peace and enlightenment. It encourages us to look within, to understand our own suffering, and to cultivate wisdom and compassion. Whether you are seeking spiritual growth, a deeper understanding of yourself, or simply a way to navigate the challenges of modern life, Buddhism has something profound to offer. Join us as we explore the rich history, diverse practices, and timeless wisdom of this ancient tradition. It all began with one man, Siddhartha Gautama. Born into royalty, he was a prince who had everything one could desire: wealth, power, and comfort. Yet despite his luxurious surroundings, he felt an emptiness inside. Siddhartha Gautama, a prince who gave up luxury to seek truth. He lived in a grand palace surrounded by opulence and splendor, but his heart yearned for something more profound, something beyond the material world. He saw suffering everywhere: aging, illness, death. These harsh realities of life deeply troubled him. He realized that no amount of wealth could shield him from the inevitable pains of human existence. So he left everything behind to find answers. Determined to understand the root of suffering and the path to true happiness, he renounced his royal life. He wandered through forests, meditated, and sought wisdom from various teachers, and what he found became Buddhism. Through years of deep meditation and self-discovery, Siddhartha attained enlightenment. He became the Buddha, the awakened one, and his teachings have since guided millions on the path to inner peace and liberation. Buddhism isn't about worship, it's not about praying to gods or following rules, it's a path to see clearly, to understand suffering and to go beyond it. At its heart are the Four Noble Truths. Life involves suffering. Suffering comes from craving and attachment. Letting go of craving ends suffering. There's a path to freedom, the Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path teaches right understanding, right intention, right action, and more. It's not a list of rules, it's a guide for how to live mindfully, ethically, and peacefully. Buddhism also teaches that everything changes. Nothing lasts forever. Not pain, not pleasure. This truth is called anicca, impermanence. And from this comes freedom. What about karma? It's not a punishment system, it simply means your actions have consequences. Good seeds grow into good results. Harmful actions grow into suffering. The goal isn't heaven, it's nirvana. A mind free from craving, anger, and ignorance. It's not a place, it's a state of being. Calm, clear, compassionate. In today's world of stress, scrolling, and self-doubt, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected. The constant barrage of notifications and the pressure to keep up can leave us feeling lost and anxious. But amidst this chaos, there is a path to tranquility and clarity. Buddhist teachings can be your compass, guiding you through the noise and helping you find inner peace. These ancient practices offer timeless wisdom that is incredibly relevant in our fast-paced modern lives. They help you stay present, grounding you in the here and now. By focusing on the present moment, you can reduce stress and increase your sense of well-being. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools that can transform your daily life. Let go of what you can't control. Accepting the impermanence of life can bring a profound sense of peace. Just as a river flows and leaves fall, life is constantly changing. Embrace this change with grace and serenity, and respond with kindness to others and to yourself. Compassion is at the heart of Buddhist practice. By cultivating kindness and empathy, you can create a more harmonious and fulfilling life. Remember, the journey to inner peace begins with a single step. So, what is Buddhism really? It's a way of seeing, a way of living, a path to peace open to anyone, no matter who you are. You don't need to believe in anything, just observe, reflect, be mindful. That's the Buddhist way. Which part of this teaching spoke to you the most? Share your thoughts below. Your journey starts here.